It's our wood stove piece. It's huge. We have a freight truck deliver it. Comes our stovepipe off the truck. We film weird things. Unpacking the box. A lot of plastic on here. So you roll out your insulation. Then you start rolling out your pipe. Okay, this is one big pipe. Gluing the insulation. Now we're going to stick the pipe on. Okay, let's stick it.
Okay, I guess I was going to pick it up and kind of try to put it straight down onto the seam, and you can kind of guide it, like right on the center of this, on this edge.
Okay. Okay, let's reverse then. Make sure it makes sense. Of course, I get the heavy end. How does that always happen?
Well, just because I've been at this longer, you got. You want to do the ladder part first, just to get it? How big you reach it?
You're hitting the vent stack. There we go.
Okay, you want to, you hold this and I'll squat a bit.
Here we are on the roof. Made it. The pipe, somehow. You're stuck?
Yeah.
Don't fall, honey. Let me go in there and twist. Let me go in there and pull on it. Be prepared to possibly have to remove your damper or cut your damper. We had to cut ours in order for the liner to go down and fit. And also to remove fire brick. This is an exterior chimney. There's no wall on the other side. That's the only way you would want to do this without having to do some more work. But we had to remove like 6 rows in the because it's slanted upward, and that way we can fit the liner down and it'll be straight and hook it into the wood stove. You can always put the brick back. So we didn't want to do it, but we had to. It's a long way to the house.